Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening to all of you. Can you all hear me?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening.
So, is it right time to start the unit number 10? Have I finished the unit number 9?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Unit number 10 Tute I gave you. So you are happy?
Yes, sir.
So, what is the heading?
The correct use of the microscope.
The correct use of the microscope.
In this heading, first of all, we are introducing the microscope. In the microscope, overall, if you consider, microscope has one common purpose, making things larger and seeing them clearly. Understood? Making things larger and seeing them clearly. That is the purpose of a microscope. Okay. Any microscope, if you take, it is going to do only one thing. That's one thing they do is called by this word. What is this word?
Magnification. Magnification.
Magnification. Looking larger.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, yes. I'm drinking tea. Okay, okay.
Good evening, sir.
Coming late, starting good evening. Bad evening. Right. So, you know hand lens, correct? Any convex lens not only hand lens, any convex lens can work as a simple microscope. So it will show you the things larger. If they are showing you the things larger, சுத்தி யாராவது கதைச்சு கொண்டிருந்தால் மைக்ரோஃபோன் ஆஃப் பண்ணிடுங்க, குழம்பிடுவேன் கடைசியில. நஃபீஷாட தான் கதை போகுது. மனுஷனுக்கு அல்ல வாயில் ஒண்ணு கொடுக்காட்டி எவ்வளவு நல்லதா போய். இப்ப பார்த்தாலும் பச்சை பச்சை பச்சைன்னு மனுஷன் காய்ச்சிக்கிட்டே இருக்கு. Give me a minute.
Okay.
Okay. So all of you have seen a simple, that means hand lens, correct?
Yes, sir.
Hand lens. If you see a letter using a hand lens, it will look larger. It's looking larger means it is magnification. Understood? It is looking
Yes.
larger mean, what is the meaning? It is magnification. Looking larger. That is all. Okay. If you take the microscopes, okay, will show you larger. In that one, what is magnification? What is magnification? Read this one.
The number of times a specimen is magnified is known as the magnification.
Okay. So some microscopes will make, okay, if you take a, okay, a hand lens, a single hand lens, okay, if you take the single hand lens, maximum magnification of it, hand lens magnification, maximum, small ones can be there. It is up to how many times it can magnify?
100 times.
100 times. If you show 1 millimeter, an object of 1 millimeter, it will show you about 100 millimeter. Understood? If you see 1 millimeter in it, in the hand lens, you will see it larger, no? That larger one will be how much? About 100 millimeter. If you take a compound microscope, normally that is the one we call it microscope. Have you all seen a microscope?
Yes, sir.
The one that they keep one eye and see through. Eh?
Yes, sir.
That can enlarge up to what size?
1000 millimeter.
1000 times. So
1000 times.
if you take a hand lens and a compound microscope, whose magnification is greater?
Compound microscope.
So we can say compound microscope is greater than, what is it? Simple
Handless
microscope or a hand lens. Okay, you can call it simple microscope, you can call it hand lens. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. So could you please mark this one down?
Finished.
Completed, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Complete. No problem. Chacha came today class. Shaza is there?
No, sir.
No.
Sir, done.
No, sir. Completed, sir.
No, sir.
Completed?
No, sir.
Completed, sir.
No, sir.
Afisha, completed?
Yes, sir.
Have everyone completed it?
Yes, sir.
Right. There is another microscope that is called electron microscope. That electron microscope, if you consider, okay, if you take magnification of electron microscope, it is very high, nearly it is 5 million. What is the magnification?
5 million.
5 million. So if you take a compound microscope and an electron microscope, who is greater?
Electron microscope.
Electron microscope is bigger than, okay, magnification wise greater than
Compound microscope.
compound microscope. Okay, remember in these three microscopes, the most common one every schools have is compound microscope, and hand lens will be there. In the whole Sri Lanka, there is 1 or 2 only electron microscopes are there. Understood?
Yes, sir.
In the total Sri Lanka, only how many?
1 or 2.
1 or 2.
Sir, should we copy this?
Yes, yes.
Completed, sir.
Completed.
No, sir. Done, sir.
Right. So are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You are clear. Now we are coming to the heading. What is it? Resolution. Read the word. Read the word. What is it? Resolution. If you take resolution, I will explain you this. This is the easy explanation for resolution. Here, can you see there are 2 dots?
Yes, sir.
Right. Between the 2 dots, can you see there is a space?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
I bring near. Okay. Can you see there's a space now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
If I further and further bring. Can you see there's a space now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Actually, there's a space, but you can't see that. Understood?
How, sir?
That's the truth. Because until that space is this value, you will see that. How much?
0.1.
0.1 millimeter, you will see that. If it is less than 0.1 millimeter, you will not
See.
see.
See that.
So this is this limit, but you can see. But you can see that gap. You can see max. Okay, the smallest gap you can see. That is called resolution power. Understood? Understood? Right.
Yes, sir.
So what is
Yes, sir.
resolution power? You have been given as a definition. What is the definition for resolution power?
The minimum distance by which 2 points must be separated in order to be seen as two distinct points.
To see them as two separate points, what is the minimum distance? Okay, what is the resolution power of human eye? 0.1
0.1 millimeter.
millimeter. Anything. Now, can you see a bacteria by your naked eye?
On.
On. Right. If I ask you why, you will tell it is small.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Actually, you have to tell it is smaller than 0.1 millimeter. That's why you can't see. Understood?
Yes, sir, because our eye is 0.1
Our
millimeter.
eyes can't see anything smaller than what is it?
0.1 millimeter.
So that is our resolving power. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Our
Yeah.
resolving power is 0.1
1 millimeter.
Millimeter.
If you take the resolving power of, a compound microscope, will have a resolving power. Okay, to my knowledge, it is 0.2 micrometer. How much?
0.2 micrometer.
Micrometer. Whose
0.2
resolution power? Whose resolution? Compound microscope's resolution. How much?
0.2 micrometer.
0.2 micrometer. That belongs to whom?
Compound
Compound microscope. If you take 0.2 micrometer, okay, this is not the thing. So if you take 0.2 micrometer, 0.2 micrometer is smaller than human eye, correct?
Yes.
Yes. We'll think like this. Now, I am answering this question first. Okay. In all the ones I have chosen hand lens also, doesn't matter. We will speak like this. That's easy for me. Before coming to that question. Now, human eye. What is the resolution power?
0.1
0.1 millimeter. Okay. Compound microscope. Compound microscope.
0.
Resolution power. How much?
0.2 micrometer.
0.2 micrometer. Oh, in millimeter, how much?
0.0002
0.0002 millimeter. Correct?
0.0002.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Thing it is, if you take 0.1 millimeter and 0.0002 millimeter, in these two, which one is small value?
0.0002 millimeter.
0002. Agree?
Yes, I agree.
Yes, sir.
Thing it is, our eye can see only 0.1 millimeter. Smaller than that, you can't see. But compound microscope can see 0.0002 millimeter also clearly. That cutie space also clearly. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
due to this, when you are comparing resolution power, the smaller number is considered as a higher resolution power. Understood?
Yes, sir.
The smaller number. Now, in these two, 0.1 millimeter there, 0.0002 millimeter there. In these two, who is the smallest?
0.
0.0002 is the smallest. That we take, okay, resolution power of compound microscope is, okay, greater than human eye. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now see, if you take the electron microscope resolution power of it is 0.2 nanometers. That is actually 0.000000. Let's separate. 0.002 millimeter. Now think, if you take a compound microscope pen, okay, electron microscope, whose resolution power is high?
Electron.
Electron microscope. Understood?
Yes,
Understood? So, thing it is, you should not think this is small value, no. It is small value. That much small value, it clearly shows you. So, power is high, no. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think your tube has only 9 pages, correct?
Yes, sir.
So the 10th page is free.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Yes, sir.
In that one you can
Like
mark
this.
this one. You can mark this one down.
Sir, my tube doesn't have a 10th page.
If you don't have a 10th page, take a white sheet and mark.
ஏன் பால் இல்லையா?
Who is cuttifying? Kalilliya, Palilliya. Tell me after completing it. Completed?
No, sir. No, sir.
Completed, sir.
Completed?
No, sir. No, sir. No.
No.
Yes.
What happened to Shaza today?
Sir, done.
யாராவது சாப்பாடு கூப்பிட்டுருவாங்க.
Done, sir.
Sir, done.
Completed?
No, sir. Okay, sir. Completed.
No, sir.
Done, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Done.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
1 minute, the last one.
Mhm.
Completed, sir.
Completed? Shama?
Yes, sir.
Completed, sir.
No,
Completed.
sir. No, sir. Completed.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Right. So, from this place, coming to this is easy. Compare the resolution power of human eye and hand lens. Okay, in that case, hand lens is okay greater in resolution power than home
Human eye.
human eye. Compare the hand lens and compound microscope. In that case, compound microscope's resolution power is greater than home
Hand lens.
hand lens. Okay, compare the resolution power of compound microscope and electron microscope. In that case, electron microscope resolution power is greater than home compound microscope. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. So complete it, complete it.
Completed, sir.
Have everyone completed it?
No, sir.
Completed, sir.
ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಸುತ್ತಿ ವಚ್ಚಿ ಕತ್ತಕೂಡಾದು ಸಂತೋಷ್.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir. Completed, sir.
Completed.
Completed?
Completed, sir.
Done, sir.
Right. So now we come for a small practical. Understood? We are coming for a practical. Okay, this is the first time I do this practical over the phone. We will try and see. Okay. Right. Very simple practical. Here on this white sheet, I am placing two near. Why this one came? Can you see I have placed 2 dots there?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Right. If I see the dots using a single convex lens, how do they appear compared to this?
Larger than this one.
Larger than the, what is it?
Mark dot.
Larger than the real dot, correct? Am I right? Larger than the
Yes, sir.
real dot. When I'm doing practical, you want to become smaller, right? This is a try. In the phone is little difficult. Here I place another one. Now see.
More than larger.
So compared to using one lens, if you use 2 lenses, what will happen?
It become more larger.
It will become more larger. What is happening to the gap between the 2 dots?
Is becoming larger.
It's also becoming larger.
Larger.
See this one? Here, small gap. Here,
A big gap.
a big
Large
gap. Correct? So, what I want to tell you is, compared to using one convex lens, if you use 2 convex lenses, now see, I am writing letter A. How the letter A appears here?
Bigger.
Bigger. Correct? Am I right? If I use another one, where is the A? First, I have to get the A. Very difficult to position it. Now see the A.
Sir, more bigger. More larger.
More bigger. So
Bigger.
compared to one convex lens, if you use 2 convex lens, what is happening to the magnification? Magnification means how much it is larger. What is happening to the magnification?
It become more
Increasing
larger.
or decreasing?
Increasing.
Resolution power, it is also increasing. Understood? Gap is increasing, no? Correct? Gap is increasing, right?
Yes, sir.
Gap is increasing mean resolution power is
Increasing.
increasing. Clear?
Increasing. Yes, sir.
Are you clear? Right.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
it is the one they want you to do here. Okay. Look at this one. In the first case, they are using one convex lens. In the second one, they are using how many convex lens?
2 convex.
2 convex lens. The first question to you is, in which instance the dots will appear larger?
In 2 convex.
While using 2 convex lenses. Correct? Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
In which instance a greater distance can be noticed between the 2 dots? Bigger gap, where can you notice? Huh?
While using 2 convex lenses.
While using 2 convex lenses. Lenses you can write, or normally you can write lens also. Okay. Right. Could you please complete the 2 answers?
Yes, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay, sir. Done.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, in which instance magnification is greater?
While using two convex
While
lenses.
using two
While
convex lenses.
using two convex lenses, correct? In which instance resolution power, the gap between the dots, is greater?
While using two convex
While
lenses.
using two convex lens. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. What type of lenses are used here? Simple answer.
Convex lens.
Convex lenses.
Convex lenses. Correct. What is the conclusion of this experiment? Okay. Magnification and resolution power can be increased by increasing number of convex lens. This is the longest answer you can read now, correct? Can you read it?
Can, sir.
Yes.
What is written?
Magnification
Magnification can be increased by increasing number of convex lenses.
Number of convex lenses.
You can answer the third, fourth, fifth, and sixth questions. And tell me.
இங்க பாருங்க.
Completed.
எழுதிட்டேன்.
Done.
Sir, I'm okay. புள்ளிகள் ரெண்டு பேரும் கிரேட் 7 உண்டும் கிரேட் 8 உண்டும் எப்படி ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றேன் சார்?
completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Completed.
Wait.
Yes, sir.
Completed, sir.
எங்களோட ப்ரொசீடியர் என்னன்னு கேட்டால் ஒரு சப்ஜெக்டுக்கு ஜாயின் பண்ற புள்ள அவர் ஜாயின் பண்ற மாதம் இப்போ உங்களோட மகன்கள் வந்து ஜூலைல ஜாயின் பண்ண போறாங்க அப்படின்னு சொன்னா ஜூலைக்குரிய ஃபீயை நீங்க வந்து பே பண்ணி அதுக்குரிய ரெசிப்டை எங்களுக்கு அனுப்பணும். அப்போ
Pradhan.
Sir. Sir.
Adhan is over. The electron cloud is asymmetrical. Then there will be polarity. Are you clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, here still Adan didn't start.
Then I think your muazzin is sleeping. Everywhere some muazzins are sleeping, no?
So now only starting, sir.
Very nice. Only வாயில நெருப்பள்ளி போடணும் அந்த நாய்களுக்கு.
The other over.
Okay. Now, coming to this. This is our today's highlight part. This is the diagram of a, what is it?
Compound light microscope.
Compound light microscope. I am going to show you a compound light microscope. Okay, I have a compound light microscope. I am going to show you that. Right? If you take a where I am. Sauce bottle, biscuit, water, stapler, AC remote, magnets, lenses. Yeah. Oh. Teacup. Everything is here. Yeah.
Sir, where did you buy compound light microscope?
Once upon a time, once upon a time I bought it. Understood? When were you born?
How much?
When were you born?
2010.
2011. 10.
2010.
This microscope is elder than you.
Really, sir?
Yes. I bought this microscope in 2008.
Sir, for how much?
That
Sir, how
time, that time 19,000 rupees.
Sir, why are you wasting so much money that, sir?
Only 19,000, sir.
That time, that time.
Sir, what is the price of?
Now it
Now
will
it's
be,
about
now it
35,000.
will be nearly 1 lakh.
1 lakh? 1 lakh.
I bought it for 18,000 in eBay. So this is the microscope.
Is it still working?
Yeah, yeah. Inshallah, in the next practical session, you can use it. Okay.
When we have our practical practice, sir?
Don't know, Baba. Now can't take practical sessions because most people don't have traveling facilities.
Yeah, sir, fuel problem.
Fuel problem, no traveling facilities. Okay. Wow, no. Right. Here. What is that? Coco Coco? Fatima Rizwan? Coco Coco. Right. So this is the compound microscope. Every year I take it for the classes and again keep in the box. Right. If you take, I will introduce you the parts one by one. In the picture also you see that one. Okay. Let us start from one place. Can you see in your picture, there are two rings like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the name given for this bigger ring?
Cause adjustment.
Cause adjustment knob. Correct?
Knob.
This smaller one,
Fine adjustment knob.
fine adjustment knob. Okay. You see, I can turn this. If I turn it, this part will move up and down. Understood?
Yes, sir.
If I turn it, this part will move, what is it?
Up and down.
Up and down. Right? If you turn this also, it will move up and down. But you can't see that one clearly. Understood?
Yes, sir.
That much little it will move. Anyway, what is this?
Cause adjustment knob.
Cause and adjustment knob. What is this?
Fine
Fine adjustment knob. Okay. Now, can you see here there is a square shape part?
Yes, sir.
That
Yes, sir.
square shape part, what is the name given?
Stage.
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 What is the name given?
Stage.
Square shape part is stage. In the stage, okay, I didn't take it for some time. The stage has dust. Okay. In the stage, can you see a pair of clips are there?
Stage second.
They are holding what name?
Stage clips.
Clips. So on the stage, there are how many stage clips?
2.
2 stage clips are there. Understood?
Yes.
Right. If you take this side, in this side, here there is a rollable unit. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Ah, This rollable.
Mirror, sir. Mirror.
No, this one. I am not speaking about this. I am not speaking about this. I am speaking about this structure. Wait. Can you see there's a ring-like thing here?
Sir, yeah.
Can you see?
Yes, sir.
What is the name given for that?
Diaphragm.
Diaphragm. What is the name given for that? Diaphragm. Right. Under the stage, there is a mirror. If you take this mirror, see this. If I show this one, okay, this is a concave mirror. What kind of mirror it is?
Concave mirror.
Concave mirror. If you take other side, this is a normal plain mirror. How many mirrors are there?
2 minutes.
Two mirrors are there. One side is
Concave.
concave mirror. Other side is
Plain mirror.
plain mirror. Can you see? Both sides are mirror. This is a mirror. If I turn like this, other side is also a mirror. One side is what kind of mirror? Concave mirror. Other side is plain mirror. Understood? Right. What is the name given to this part?
Base.
Base. Okay, it is called
Base.
base. Right. What is the name given to this part?
Body tube.
Body tube. Can you see the body tube?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
Now, out of all, and what is the name given to this part?
Arm.
Arm. Now, tell me, what is this?
Base.
Base. This one,
Mirror.
mirror. The part down here,
Stage.
the part down here, diaphragm. This black color part, stage. These ones are stage clips. This part, arm. This one, post adjustment knob. This part, fine adjustment knob. This part,
Body
body tube. Now, in the picture you see another two things. I think I didn't show you.
Yes, sir.
What are those three things? Two things.
Objective
lenses.
One it is eyepiece, one it is objective lenses. Correct? One it is eyepiece, one it is generally we keep the objective lenses in these types of containers separately. When wanted only, we will fix on to that. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now I am taking this out. Okay. Let us take it out. This is one now container. I will keep the container one side separately. Here is the objective lens. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In my paper, objective lenses are there.
What is it, Habiba?
Sir, in my paper, objective lenses are there, sir.
Everyone have it. I didn't explain here. That's what I told.
Okay.
Okay. I didn't show you now. Now only showing, right? All the people's paper have objective lens. Okay.
I thought you in some papers you didn't mention
No.
it, sir.
This is one objective lens. Can you see?
Yes,
Ah, that is one. This is one. This is one. Now, if you take these two, in these two, who is bigger, red or yellow?
Yellow, sir.
Yellow is bigger. Okay. If you compare yellow and blue, now who is bigger? Blue is bigger. So that means this is the smallest of the three, correct?
Yes, sir.
This is the smallest of the three. And this is called low power objective. What is the name given?
Low power
Low power objective. This is called medium power objective.
Medium.
Medium power objective. This is called high power objective.
High power.
High power objective.
So what are the three types of objectives?
Low power.
Low power objective, medium power objective, high power objective.
Right.
Medium power objective, high power.
Now see, I am going to show you. Habibaladan echo ஆகுது. Here, can you see there are holes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, can.
This place is called nose piece. What is the name given to this?
Nose.
Nose piece. You can,
Not given in diagram, no?
it's not, it is shown but not marked. Correct?
Why, sir?
Yeah.
No, they have thought no need for the grade 7. You are small, no? Correct?
Yes.
So, what is the name given this silver part?
Nose piece.
Nose piece. In the nose piece, here there is a hole, here there is a hole, and here there is a hole. Altogether, how many holes are there in the nose piece?
Three holes.
See here, you can see the three holes. One hole here, one hole here, one hole here. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In these holes, we are fixing the what lens it is?
Objective lens, sir.
Objective lens. High power, low power, no problem. Now see, I fix it like this. One fixed. Now the second one. And this is the, what is it?
Third one.
Third one. Now see, is it looking like what is in the book?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. How many?
Three.
Three. Now, if you bring it down like this is the low power objective direct to this place, correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That means you will see through the low power objective. If you bring it like this, now see the color?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Medium power.
Then
Medium
you are
power.
seeing in the medium power. Now, if you bring like this,
High
High
power.
now
power.
you see in the high power. Generally, very first time, we always see it in the
Low power.
which power? Which power?
Low power.
Low power. Now, How many objective lenses are there?
Three.
Three objective lenses are there. Okay, they are fixed to this rotatable part. This rotatable part is called by the name
Nose piece.
nose piece. Now, one more thing I want to introduce you. What is that?
Eyepiece.
Eyepiece. Eyepiece is in a separate bag like this. Understood?
Sir, do I need to buy this?
No. When I bought the microscope, they gave all these. Understood? Now, eyepiece, I have to fix here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see, eyepiece is also fixed.
Sir, can you show us through the eyepiece?
It is not easy, Putta. It is not easy. How can I show that one? Actually, it is possible,
Sir,
but for
take the
that,
camera and put it inside, sir.
Ama,
Take the camera and put it in the eyepiece.
you are asking me to take the camera and put it in the eyepiece. You
Yeah, sir.
can't see, Putta. There is a way, it will not correctly catch it. See? Is it catching anything? No.
No, sir.
This thing,
Yes, sir, it's catching. We can see. We can see.
getting.
Now can't, sir.
I have to first adjust this. Now I think you can see.
Yeah, sir.
Wait.
We can see, sir.
Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Actually,
Yes,
if you see, you will see a circle there. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A white
sir.
color.
Yeah, sir, we can see.
A white color circle you will see. Understood?
Yes, sir.
But
Yes,
there
sir.
is a special camera for that. If you fix that camera, all what you see there can be directly captured. But only one problem. I thought to buy that camera, but that time it was 50,000 rupees. So I thought later we will buy. Now it has gone to 2 lakhs. So can't buy. Only joining with what I have, not buying anything extra. Right? Are you clear today?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Are you clear with the parts?
Yes, sir.
Right. So, okay, remember this lesson until I finish it. It will be working with the microscope. Okay. Next week also I will show the microscope and explain you the things. Clear?
Okay, sir.
So,
So every day we're going to learn with the microscope for this lesson. For this whole lesson, we are going to work
yes.
with the microscope.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, when this lesson is over, microscope I will keep in the box and keep aside. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Until then, microscope is needed. In the microscope, we keep a material called slide. My slide has broken. Okay, I will go to Candy. I will buy a slide and bring here and use that slide in the coming class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Until I meet you, thank you very much. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.